Hey guys, what's up? FJ Cruiser, red color. So, 2017 race na rim, KO2, BF Goodrich, ARB bumper. Tapos meron din siya yung sa ilalim. Ano ang tawag dito bro sa cover? Steel plate ba yun?
Underplate cover.
Underplate cover. You have the winch, you have the lights. ARB. Kailangan nyo yan pagka nagka-camping kayo. Nagte-trail.
All red. Kasi special edition ng FJ Cruiser pag all red. Tapos yung standard, yung white roof.
You know.
TRD roof rail.
And then you got the snorkel, ARB din. FJ na roof rail. Step board, sidebar. Tapos yun no, napakaswabe. Naka-suspension din to guys. 2-inch lift na Ironman Pro Fender yung arm. As you can see here. Tapos ito yung sa suspension. And we got the back, may carrier. So options 8. Kina-jack. That's where we got it. Tapos TRD na muffler. Meron din lagay ng tow. ARB bumper. So pretty much that's everything. You got the rain visor. Let's check the inside. So ito yung inside. May dash cam and then straightforward naman. So all clean. Yan lang yung mga nakalagay. So super sariwa ng loob. Tapos yeah. I know naka-lift din to. Mas mataas to compared dito sa upuan nito. Pero yun guys, pretty much that's about it for this FJ Cruiser. Alright? So once again, follow me for more and yeah. Mamaya ito naman yung ating i-cover.